Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to link a PDF on Google Docs. So let's get started right away. First of all, in order to link your PDF, you will need to upload the PDF into your Google Drive. So simply go to your Google Drive account first. And then click on New. From there, click on File Uploads and simply upload your PDF file. Now, once the upload is complete, you can simply right-click on it and select the Share feature. From the Share options, make sure that you select anyone with the link and then just go ahead and click on Copy Link. Once the link is copied, just go ahead and open up your Google Docs and then open the document in which you want to add your PDF. Simply go over to the section where you want to add the link and then just paste your link. You can tap on the tab button after pasting your link and it will simply show it as the file name. And now anyone that clicks on this link within your document will be able to access the PDF file. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to link your PDF files with Google. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.